So I'm going to be talking about vitamin E, which is one of the fat-soluble vitamins, and primarily it comes in the forms of alpha, beta, gamma, and delta tocopherols and tocotrienols. But primarily we're concerned about alpha tocopherol because it's the most active in the human body, and that's the only one that supports the human body as to date. Um, it acts primarily as an antioxidant, preventing the formation of ROS, which is formerly known as reactive oxygen species. And so this has led scientists to actually investigate as to whether it can prevent free radicals from forming later on in the body, um, which is the frontmost studies that are being done with concerning vitamin E. It also forms it also functions in immune functions throughout the body, cell signaling, and other molecular metabolic functions. The adequate amount, or the DRI, for vitamin E is 15 milligrams a day, and the RDI is 30 IU. The toxicity levels is above 1,000 milligrams a day, which is pretty hard to reach. It interferes with vitamin K's role. It interferes with blood clotting. It's not too common. Deficiency is also not very common because it's very hard not to get enough vitamin E in one's diet. We see it a lot in premature infants. It interferes with their retina health. It interferes with mostly formation in infants as they're growing up. But that's all that research has actually found to be vitamin E deficient. There's not much that goes on in adult humans and vitamin E deficiency as we see to date. Good food sources for these are nuts, seeds, vegetable oils. There's actually a lot in leafy green vegetables. So this sort of leads into what can solve toxicity issues and deficiency issues. If one has a healthy, balanced diet with vitamin E in there at a healthy rate, which is, as I said before, 15 milligrams a day, it should be quite easy to get the recommended amount and not have to go over, which leads in toxicity amounts, or not get enough, which is deficient. But as said before, deficiency for vitamin E is quite hard to reach. So yeah, that's vitamin E.